Hello everyone, my name is Marco, and this is my assignment for the first week for our class CSE340. And the first thing that we did initially was to clone a repository, and later on we were able to create the necessary files and components so that our project will be able to work. Then I modified the index.ejs file in order to be able to create our page, which is the page on the left side. There were a few things that we had to also modify on some of the other folders. So for example, on the folders, let's see. Okay. So basically in our partials, some of these implementations are made dynamically. For example, the header and also the navigation as well as the footer. Now, a lot of parts of this code had to be modified in order to be able to render the image that you see on the left. And we also have our CSS file. Let's look for our CSS. And this is the code for our CSS that gave the page the current look. And I try to imitate the look of the original assignment as much as possible. So I was able to replicate it almost just as good, but only differences perhaps were the bullet points, and on the original this transparency here is a little bit more towards the middle of the page, but this is how it looks currently. Now if I were to expand it, this is how it looks, and on the mobile view it will look like this. I do have to admit that I had a really hard time trying to adjust some of these elements. Especially the hardest part was the layout. Having the layout exactly as it is in the original view, it was very difficult. But I was able to successfully make it look like this. Okay. And unfortunately, because of the recording, you cannot see here the the copyright and the year, which is right on the bottom right here. But my screen does not allow it for some reason. The recording goes up to this point only. Also like it does over here, but it is there. And actually that was also one other part that was difficult to adjust, but let's see maybe if I can adjust the view differently. Let's see. Allow me to take this off. And I think I'm going to be able to do it this way. There you go. So here we're able to see every element. I also made the border the same way, same blue. So it looks very similar. The blue might be a little bit different, but I think it came very close. And that's it, really. That's our first assignment. And besides those files that I showed you, usually it is run with the pmp run deb. That's how we run the server, and it's able to display it. And then let's see. This is our online server for production. That's about it. that is our page. Thank you for watching.